Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. You are watching For Tech. So today we brought the Android 12 AOSP vanilla phh-Treble ROM for any Treble supported ARM32 64-bit binary AB devices. To check whether your device is ARM32 64-bit binary AB device or not, please install and check the Treble support APK from the link given under the video description. In this video, I successfully installed this Treble GSI on my Galaxy Tab A10.1 and surprisingly with the minor bugs which can be solvable by some tweaks, and I am using it as a daily driver. So if you are interested in Android 12, so without wasting any time, let's start the new adventure.
On a new adventure.
So download and extract the exact file. You will get the GSI image file. Also download the Bitgapps ARM version, put them in your device and reboot it into the TWRP. This process will wipe everything, so keep backup for the safety. Now first go to the wipe and select the system and slide the bottom bar. This will erase your system partition. Now click install and select the install image at the bottom. You will see our GSI image file. Select it and then check mark the system image partition and slide to flash the image. This will take the few seconds. After this, go to the mount and mount the system partition. Now go to the wipe and select the system and click repair or the change file system tab at the bottom, and then click the resize file system and slide the bottom bar. Now click install and select the Bitgapps file and slide to install. After this successful process, you can format your data by going into the wipe and click format data, type yes and enter. This step is not shown here, but it's recommended. Now click reboot system. Click power button to skip the bootloader unlock warning. Phone will take nearly 2 minutes to boot, so wait patiently. We directly boots into the ROM. There will be no setup process pops up. The first thing we notice after the boot, we get the device certification error. Without the certification, we can't able to use the GApps in this ROM. So I have mentioned two methods to overcome this, but generally second root method works for me. So first download the device ID APK from the link given under the video description. Copy your framework's ID and go to the link given under the video description. First log into your Google account and then paste the framework ID. Click register and wait for the few seconds. Go to the framework services APK. In the app setting, first close it and wipe this data, reboot. If it still got the error, then follow the second method. First enable the USB debugging in the developer setting, then connect device to the PC, open the command prompt, type ADB devices, then type or the paste the command highlighted on the PC. Now you will see the some error, but then just reboot your device to the TWRP. Now flash this Magisk debug zip and then reboot. Now first download and install the Magisk debug APK. I have not shown that here. Open the app from the app drawer. You can now see you have installed the new canary build of the Magisk on your device. Now download the Magiskhide prop configuration module using the browser. Go to the Magisk app, click install from the storage, select your Magisk module, then click install and reboot. After the reboot, hope your issue got solved. Now you can use the certified Google Play Store. If you go to the settings and about device, when you click on the Android version, we will see our device is upgraded to Android 12, new security patch level of 5th October 2021, kernel version is 4.4, and now we got this clock dialer style Android 12 Easter egg. Device is feeling more smoother than before, but there are some graphical glitches in the ROM. To reduce them, we can just reduce the Windows animation scale, but we can't completely solve this. Everything till now is working perfectly for me. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS, auto rotation, etc. Audio for music, video are also seems very good. Here are some samples. It has some bugs, but they are deal breaking. So the new Lineage OS logo boots up finally after the 2 minutes. Camera app is also working, but only audio in the video recording has the issue. So instead of using the stock camera application, I will recommend you to use the Open Camera app from the Play Store. It has the better pics and the video quality than the stock camera application. Go to the settings, click the audio source and select the default audio source. So let's check some customizations and Android 12 features we gets in this ROM. We gets the phh-Treble setting inside the stock setting. It has some options like the Samsung features, which includes all the stock One UI features that we are missing in the Treble ROM. You can enable them, but there is no guarantee it will work for you. Next we get the DOS and the miscellaneous feature settings. Under the IMS feature we can enable the OLT for your carrier, but sadly it's not working for me as I face in the Treble lineages ROM also. But you can try by check marking the last two options, then click the create IMS APN, then click install IMS APK. Let's comment below the video whether it's worked for you or not. Under the customizations we get the accent color, icon shape, icon pack and the font family options. Let's check what's new thing we get in Android 12. We get new power menu, new big quick setting tiles along with the rounded corners for the notifications and the tiles. We get the 4 options below the quick setting tiles, edit, users, power and the settings. The new volume rocker and the brightness slider which looks cool. New lock screen with the big clock and the new animated lock screen pattern unlock. In overall system we will see some new animations effect. But sadly, as this is the AOSP ROM, we didn't get the Google's new wallpaper based theming. No new one-handed mode gestures, only stock swipe gestures are available like Android 11. We also didn't get the clock widgets of Android 12, but we get the conversational widget that I have tested on the WhatsApp and it's working good. Soon we will get the custom ROM based on this AOSP build. Till then, if you prefer pure vanilla look with the goodies of Android 12, then go ahead and try this ROM for your device. So that's it for today guys. If you think I help you, please do like and share this video. Subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for the notification of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.
On a new adventure.